have used convolution operation. So you can use a convolution operation. And there is another category of filter called as max filter, min filter and all. A maximum value you can take, minimum value you can take out of the thing. So I have used those things also, and I have done convolution operation with all the three kernels. So I have taken Y1 M1 combination, Y2 M2 combination, Y3 M3 combination. I have taken and I have plotted the filtered image. So let me run this program. There is some error. I have taken a cameraman image. So this filtering is performed using the first kernel. This filtering is performed using the second kernel. So in the second kernel, you can see some zeros. So you are having lot of black pixels available here. In the third kernel, one entire band is blackened out, isn't it? Zeros refer to blackening thing. So you are having still more blackened out image here. So you can vary your kernel as per your requirement. So whether you want to have a smoothening effect alone, or whether you want to have only the details enhanced, this is what we'll be talking about sharpening effect. So you can see something is getting sharpened. The remaining things are masked. Only the needed one is highlighted, isn't it? So this sort of a thing is also sharpening. So whether you want that sort of an effect, accordingly you can define your mask kernel and you can get the results. Let me go for a mean and a median filter. So this is again I am taking the very same image, same cameraman image I have taken, and I have added the salt and pepper noise here. So to my image I have added salt and pepper noise, and this is the intensity of the salt and pepper noise. Whether you want to have a very mild noise or whether very intense noise. Accordingly, you can change this parameter. And I have asked the program to display that image also, the noisy image also. I have performed averaging as well as I have performed order statistics. Here I am taking the central value. So this is called as median filter. So I am performing averaging filter as well as median filter here. So this is another command with which filtering is done. Averaging, mean filtering is done. So here you can use it's a 3x3 mask. This dimension is what I have defined here. And averaging filtering is being performed. So that is specified. So to which filter this is performed, to which image it is performed, it is the J image. Now on the noisy image, I am going to perform this averaging. And of course, all averaging will divide it with the total number of elements, isn't it? So that is what I am having. And I'm displaying the image of the outcome of the averaging filter. And I'm performing median filter here. This is a direct command for performing the median filtering. So I'm asking the MATLAB to display both averaged output and median filtered output side by side. So this will display both the things side by side so that you can compare and see. Let me run this program. So you can see the original cameraman image, and this is the noisy image. You can see a lot of dark and white spots, and this is the averaged filter. You can see the difference here. So what this averaging does, whatever the noise that is highlighted, this will be smoothened out. So it is as if we are rubbing a board. We are writing something on the board. So somewhere it will be black and somewhere it will be the white chalk piece information. And then I am rubbing the board. So what happens? This white powder will be distributed throughout the blackboard, isn't it? So an averaging filter does that work. So here that is what you can see here. it is a smoothening out. So only you are calling it as a smoothened effect. So the highlighted black and white spots are now smoothened out, but image is not, the noise is not getting removed. So whereas in 4, where you are performing median filtering on this, you can see the difference. Here it is removing the salt and pepper noise completely, because it pushes the salt noise to one side and pepper noise to one side, and picks only the center value. So it is able to give a effective noise removal. Right? Any doubts so far? Students, any doubts so far?